The time, children, 6:53. The first tape was at 6:46. This tape is at 6:53. It's been 9 minutes. Let's go back outside and watch the change. The planet is moving fast, and it carries a million-mile trail of debris. That's right, children. This planet carries a million-mile trail of debris with asteroids that came from the Kuiper Belt. Ask your teachers. And the dust from the planet that has iron oxide in it turns the clouds a different color. Notice that the dark chemtrails are now turning red. Let us put zoom on it so we can get a better look at things. Do you see the red now in the clouds? Let's back it up just a little bit. See? And they draw a straight line where this thing has an orbit that is different from our orbit. This is the sun binary twin, and the sun has not yet risen. But look at the red. There are no California fires here, and by being a scientist, we can see that because we have video and audio to show the truth. As a scientist, we must know these things so that we can help humanity. Do you see, children? We have red skies in the air, and there are no California fires on the lakefront in Chicago, but we do have the red iron oxide that is now covering up the black chemtrails right before your very eyes. And look over there. There is the binary twin, but you can't see it because they also have geoengineering technology to cloak the sky to make it appear as though it is blue because they have to shield it for our protection. But notice the red that is in there. The red is from the dust from the planet. And see the white clouds that are turning pink? These are the pink clouds. You see the blue skies, and they go all the way back to the west side. And the sun has not yet risen. As a scientist, we must do the research. So that means we must go out in the field for whatever we're studying and observe. A scientist is one who observes, and so we must be observant. Ask your teachers. Ask your teachers about the Kuiper Belt. Ask your teacher about the ring around Saturn, and this may help you in your science project. I've made this trip just for you, just so that you will know how a scientist is supposed to do his research and come up with the answers that we may save humanity. This is what a scientist does, and we must go with the science. The science. And so by being a scientist, we must put in our work. Do you see how fast those clouds change? The planet is passing right before our very eyes, but we can't see it like the planes that they made disappear. They're using cloaking devices. And then please ask your teachers about the artificial sun simulator. These things and many more you will see. But now we see the red, and there's no California fires to produce the red. So now you know. Do your research, and maybe this will help you along the way. Look at all those dirty chemtrails that have now turned pink from the red iron oxide. And looking behind there, the sun rises over in the southeast around the corner of the other building. But right before our very eyes and all the way up, it's blue. even down to the west side before the sun rises. I have to go now, but you guys do your research and be good scientists, and I hope this works out for you in your science project.